Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hello everyone, where's your day? So today in this beautiful day, we are going to talk about asking for giving an advice. So I as an MC and
here my role is as a speaker.
yeah, speaker. So today we have our special speaker, which is Fadel Emir Fadel Muhammad Ramadan. So here, okay. So don't take a long time. Let's dive into the podcast. Okay. So I want to ask you some question there. Okay. Some questions. So maybe I would like to start from the first questions. The question. So I want to ask you how to be successful in the future. Start from kids, when we was kids until this points, or maybe even later in the future. Can you giving an advice for us?
Okay, so how to be success in the future? Okay, so how to be success in the future is start from when we kid. In our childhood, we need to make ourselves like discipline, like start from wake up, start from morning, like, and then you can like the main point, you can make yourself to be disciplined, more disciplined, and you can do like consistent, and also like learn or explore something new. Like for example, you want to learn something like coding, like new language, like for example you want to learn HTML and CSS, and you can explore there a lot of language, I mean lot of code there that you have to learn if you want to success in the future.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fadel. It's good advice from Mr. Fadel, guys. So the second question. Okay, so how to be independent, start from kid until when we are adults. Can you tell us about an advice about how to start, what how can call that independence? Independence.
So how to be independent, start from kid until when we adult. So to be independent is not easy, because when we still a baby, we still need our parents.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, of course. Right now also we still need our parents in everywhere. And to be independent, we need to change our mindsets, such as like
start from wake up.
No. Like don't easy to ask to your parents, ask help to your parents. Don't too easy, like
of course.
Just
That's
a bit like for example,
too, right?
Yes, like for example you want to buy something new, like a food for example.
Yes. Okay.
And you directly ask to your parents, and you don't think in the future, like the future is like kedepannya.
Yes.
Like for example, your parents' condition right now is like the money is like
middle low,
like that.
Yes.
You don't think about that, and because of that we have to care to our parents. The point is that
Also, we don't think about our future. Like we think about our parents. We think about our parents, and we help them by our own power, as you can lah.
Main point, the point is don't too easy for us help to your parents, because we are now in senior high school.
Okay, like that. Very good, Mr. Fadel. So next question, Mr. Fadel. Can you make a description about how to becoming a success? Start from a beginner. I mean, start from you was kid until the finish line. But I need the description or your imagination about.
Okay.
Yes, like description, no image.
So here we just need to imagine like a plant. So plants start from seeds, yeah, and we get the seeds is from the plant, yeah, the big plant, and that seed, if we put in like dirt, and if we do something positive like what's the name, yeah, giving a water,
also seeds,
yes, right. And yeah, step by step that seed will become a big plant.
Yes. Will be growing up.
Yes, growing up
and more.
Yes.
Okay,
and if you do something negative, like you never give like water, and that seed will be nothing. Yeah.
Oh, will be no grow up.
Yes.
And even will be how do we say die.
Yes, like pass away, like.
Will be not growing up. Yeah, that's the simple.
So so the main point is we have to do something positive. Don't always do something negative. Yeah, that's the point.
Okay. Now the next question, Mr. Fadel. I want to ask you: this motivation is important for us for a step to be success. Yeah, maybe it can be steps, one of the step for becoming success with motivation, or maybe it's only I don't know, maybe can grow our spirit more. Can you explain it?
So motivation is important for us. Why? Because if you don't have any motivation, we don't have any spirit. Like in every day, if you don't have any motivation, you will like lazy in every day, like you don't have any spirit, yeah, like that. So at least you have some motivation, or at least one motivation that can make your day become better than your previous day.
Okay. Next, this will be the last question for you, Mr. Fadel. So I want to ask you about, can you give us a motivation, a priceless motivation for you, from you? Yes, from you, and yeah, whatever it is.
Give motivation.
Yes,
like
motivation.
Okay. So the motivation is do not be lazy, because lazy cannot bring you to be success in the future. And then also you have to think, like when we were study, we must have like manners. And then because if you less manners, or if our old teacher say, if you less adapt, you'll nothing.
You will be nothing, guys, without any attitude.
Yes, if you don't have any attitude, you will nothing. Because the first is before we learn about before we learn new knowledge, we have to learn about manners or adapt. Yeah.
Yes,
maybe
of
that's
course. Before we learn something like general material, like such as like IT, information technology, or other things about a general lesson. Before that, we need to learn about our attitude, just like attitude to parents, attitude to what else, our upperclassmen and anything else about our attitude. Yeah, so yeah, maybe that's all for us for this program, which is giving for an advice. Yeah, so maybe yeah, that's all for me. That's all for us, for Mr. Padel also.
Yes.
And yeah, last we said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.